Hello everyone. Today we're gonna practice the transition of Surya Namaskar A to Surya Namaskar B, Sun Salutation. So let's step into the top of our mat. Let's close our eyes in Samasthit, mountain pose. Feel grounded. Inhale and exhale here. On your next inhale, hands up in Urdhva Astanasana. Exhale, slowly bend forward in Uttanasana. Inhale, head up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. And step back in plank position to come to Chaturanga Dandasana, to the floor. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, look up. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Take 3 deep and long breaths here, feeling the air coming in and coming out of your lungs. Stay in this very present moment and inhale, step forward with your right foot, then with your left foot in Uttanasana. Inhale, slowly come up in Urdhva Astanasana, hands up. Exhale, Samasthit, hands in the front of your heart. Let's repeat the Surya Namaskar one. Inhale, Urdhva Astanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, bend forward. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, look to the front. Exhale, Uttanasana, step back in Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, looking up. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3 deep and long breaths here. Inhale, left foot, step forward, then the right one, Uttanasana. Inhale, slowly come up, Urdhva Astanasana, hands up. Exhale, hands in the front of your heart, Samasthit. Let's start our Surya B. So, inhale, Utkarsana, chair pose. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Come into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, right leg up. Step forward, Virabhadrasana A. Open your chest, hands up. Exhale, stepping forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, slowly coming up, Urdhva Astanasana. And exhale, Samasthit. Let's repeat. Inhale, Utkarsana. Exhale, Uttanasana to the floor. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Slowly coming down. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, stepping forward. Inhale, Virabhadasana A. Open your chest, hands up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, slowly coming up. Urdhva Hastanasana. And exhale, Samasthiti, hands in the front of your heart. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you very soon.